Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, I'm waiting on my son, guys. I don't know what he's doing so long. Anyhow, while he gets here, we're just gonna do some taste tests, some Jamaican goodies taste tests. So guys, I got this package from the USA, all right? And it's a company called Yaardie Snacks, Proud Yaardie Snacks, okay? And I'm going to tell you a little bit about them before I go into my taste test. So if you want to check them out. So let me show you. I hope you can see it, guys, right? So anyhow, the name is Proud Yaardie Snacks, all right? And you can find them on Instagram at ProudYaardie_snacks, all right? And I'm going to go to the website and I'm going to show you a little bit. It's loading. This is it. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'll just tell you what they have there. If you want Jamaican cheese, bun and cheese, they sell a variety of things, lashes, cheese sticks and all of that. No, this is the boy. Finally come, guys. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. So they have plantain chips, banana chips. If you want cake, Christmas cake and all of that, glasses, lipstick, the whole variety of things, guys. So go over there and check them out, okay? They have lots of Jamaican goodies. And look there, guys. You know that? The catch. You know, the tiki. Nice snacks. And they're reasonable price. Alright, guys? If you want some bulla. Bulla and cheese. Nice, guys. And the lip gloss. All of them something there. Who like it? So, guys. Big foot and all of that. You can get a combo pack if you want. So, I guess this box, guys, they must have, or she must have sent me a combo. I don't know what's inside. She just sent me some stuff to try. And look there, guys, my favorite bun. But you want some cheese on it. So guys, a whole heap of things she are going with over there. Alright, so check out them. And when you sign up, you can sign up with your name and all of that. Come in the video, no boy. You want like your bossy boy. What is this? Guys, if you see this, you drop them. I want to go on and put on white shirt and ripped jeans and all of them. So remember, say people them can't see your clothes. Stand up and show them your pants. Stand up.
My pants, my jeans.
Yeah, put up your foot. They can't see the Barcelona on it. I know I wouldn't be able to taste all of them, so I call this boy here. Woo! Ooh, it's a combo pack. Look at it, guys. Take it out of me. Oh, she wrapped it so nice. Oh my God. She gave us so much stuff.
Big box.
Oh my God. Thank you, Yaardie Snacks. So guys, she just packed it up there, guys. Santa come, boy. So first, where you hiding the bun? Before I hide the bun, I love this, guys. So it's all Jamaican. This is national. You can stay at your home and you can buy it online. Show them the bun now, where you hide it from.
You wanna see secret treasure?
Yeah. Oh, this is your favorite.
Banana chips. Well, plantain chips.
What's this one? He gave us 2 bulla.
A bulla this ginger.
Ginger bulla. Good one.
I like this.
And 2 plantain chips. And some sweet snacks. And some chocolate. It's like a chocolate biscuit, coated biscuit. Oh my God! Look at that! Look at the ginger biscuit. The Belgian gas, guys. Wow! So please go check her out. You can stay at your home and you get your whole bag of treats. All right. At Christmas time now, if you want your fruit cake, let's take a picture.
What do you want to try first?
Hold the bun. You hold that on the bun, I hold it. Look. I'm going to do a thumbnail, right? Okay. Alright. Which one you want to try first? Bulla? Thank you so much. Wow, we got a good stuff. Which one you want to try first one?
Bulla.
Okay, let's go with the bulla. Okay, we're gonna test the bulla. Oh my god. Oh, it's soft and nice, really. Woo. It's so soft and nice. Show them see Jamaica is making a national bakery this year. Now look the guys, original. And she gave us 2. So this one can have the one, then I'll give my husband 2. So we're gonna break the bun like Jamaican style, right? Well up in a just break our piece side like this, guys. My son says to squeeze it.
I squeeze it. Let's squeeze it up.
Oh my god. It's good.
I wish I had something to drink. I want to drink water with this.
You don't want to drink water with it? What do you want to drink? Juice? National again.
That's no supplement.
That's not supplement. Oh. A nutriment would be good.
I have to run through them fast.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm not even done eat that one here. I want me to taste that one there.
I'll just take it out.
This is my all-time favorite in Jamaica. With a cup of tea, ginger biscuit, alright? And it's national again. Crunchy and nice, it's fresh. She don't sell stale stuff, guys. Really fresh. It's good. It's good. And it's not really sweet.
No.
It's good. I like this.
Wait, we can't buy this over here?
You have to go up on our website and order it. And it's cheap. It's not bad.
If you want this biscuit here, go up on the website.
They are proud Yaardie snacks.
But
And
this
I'll
is
leave
good
the
though.
link.
Like,
It's good, eh? Guys, just like how we old and we are old people. Some people have low blood sugar and have gas. Bring a little bit in your bag and munch on it. When you travel on the plane, yeah. Okay, I'm here. Try one of this. We're almost done. We can do all national, and this is like a there's four cream filling inside. It's duplex sandwich cookie. You try that. I try a piece of this. Maybe we can try so much together. You try that one.
almost like a little chocolate biscuit. Yeah.
Oh, it's two-sided. Chocolate and I think vanilla.
Feels like a little biscuit.
It's good. Taste piece. My God, this chocolate.
No, I like this.
This one is so soft. What's that one called?
I remember this.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know if you see the name.
And
It just said chocolate.
this one, you know, if you have kids in your home, this would be good to give them a little snack. Where your eyebrow there, Amir?
No, I'm gone.
What happened to the eyebrows?
Remember when we were in Jamaica? Yeah, some food, some hot water did up on the stove. Me decide to make up in the pot.
Are you burning them out? Are you burning yourself?
Do you have a scar all over my face?
Well, no, yeah, that the time. No, that the time when me have... There was
Do you
a
have a
different
next,
time.
like, you can see scars
The
still?
time when me a curl Kevin here, that the time.
A different time.
A different time. You see how much time me boy burn up, guys? You're trouble boy, I tell you. Alright, guys. Back into the video. Peace tricks. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it's so fresh, guys. Look at this. I'm super proud of her. Oh my God. Jamaican stuff. National Bakery. Big up on the side. And I think next time, guys, I'm going to try some other products like some lip gloss. Why you have a whole light? Why you eat a whole light? It's so fresh and nice, though. So fresh and nice. Oh my God. It's so good. When I was in Jamaica, little piece of bulla, little bit of cheese strip. Try it, Amir. Try it. You're going to tell me how much you love it. And break off a little piece. Break it and make it shut off. You go mess up the whole place. Put it in a little piece. It's good together. I know that. I used to eat it like this, guys. Cheese strip and bulla. Together? It tastes good together.
Yeah, good. Long one.
Try it that way, guys. We should drink water. And then... So this is the last one she's saying, you guys. And all National Bakery stuff. I think National Bakery must be good. Or them sell reasonable. So this is the plantain chips. And if I get any banana chips next time. This is Amir's favorite. See, Amir, you taste it first.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
But you already tasted it already.
No.
It's so crunchy though. Her stuff, guys, is real. And this is the ripe one. This is what
the ripe one. I like the ripe one better than the...
And the green one? And guys, that's it. You can have that one.
I want this. Where are they?
You want the ginger cookies?
Yeah.
It's good, eh? And guys, that's it. This one like this in my mouth. It's crunchy and nice, so you want to pop out the false seeds, okay? Alright, guys. So you can go ahead and check out her website. I will leave the link in the description box, and you can check out her on Instagram at proudyaardie_snacks. Alright? And they're like this again. And thank you so much, Amir, for... Oh, guys, I forgot. Them sell Horlicks and Milo too, alright? So if you want your Horlicks tea and your Milo tea, you want muffins, you want cookies, just check them out, okay? And you can sign up and you can leave your email and all of that. So, thank you so much, Proud Yaardie. And I wish you all the best. Thank you for the treat. Bye, guys.
Peace.